Hi class, my name is Clement Maganga, Galcotes University, PhD scholar, India. Now, welcome to our discussion today. And our discussion today, we are still discussing on the mean. And today we are discussing the assumed mean here. Let's see the example here. The example here that they calculate the mean for the following frequency distribution, and we have given the data here. You can see this is the class interval. We have the frequency here. This we have 0, 80, 0, 16, 40, 48 here, and we have the frequency 87, 80, that one. Now, my dear student, after having the data like this, it is not simple to calculate this or to assume the mean while the data are not they are need this way. So better to put in the column form this way. So today we discuss about the assumed mean here. Now, before looking on the way of calculating the assumed mean, let's see the formula here. What is the formula of calculating the assumed mean? You say the formula of calculating the assumed mean is equal to assumed value plus the h here. You divide by total of fd here over n here. This is the formula now of calculating the assumed mean. Now, what is A now, and what is H, and what is this one? Now, you just come here to the table here. The first thing we have to do here, or look on the solution. Well, the first thing we have to do here, the first thing is just to find the x here. Find the x here. If you remember in the previous lesson, we discussed about this one, how to obtain. You take this plus this divided by 2 here, and if you take this plus this divided by 2 here, the answer you get 4 here. Here, if you take this plus this divided by 2 here, but you take 4 divided by 2 here, you get 12 here. So you can see the difference here. So it's very simple now to find these values now here. Now here you just plus 8 here, I'll get 20 here. Here it is 28 here. You just plus 8 here. Now you get 36, and here you get 44. After that now, you just go to calculate for D. For D, that is deviated value now. The D is equal to x minus A. Now, what is A now? Here, A, you come to here, you just move here. You look, this is 24 now. You just go to this one, this one. This is A here now. Our A now here is 28 here. Now, what is the height here? The height is this one. Is the height of this one? The difference of this one. So you take the difference of this. The difference here is 8. Here is 8. Here is 8. Here is 8. So the difference here is 8 now, which is 8 now here. Okay. Now after that, you take this one, you divide by, if you take this one, D minus this one, you must divide by H here, divided by H here. Now what is X? X is 4 here, times minus 28 here, you divide by H here, which is H here. H is 8, as you see here. Again, we have 12 here, you minus 28, divided by H, remember 20, minus 28, divided by H. And remember here is 28 minus 28 divided by H. You take 36 minus 28 divided by H, and 44 divided by 28 divided by H now here. Do you see now? After that now, after you take this divided by this, it's very simple to get up there to get the answer there. That is simply, that is, if you take 24 here. If you take the 24 negative here, now you divide by 8 here. Do you see? This one you divide by 8 here. The 8 is H now. If you divide here now, the answer will be here. Will be negative 3 here. This one negative 3 here, and this is, remember this is D now. This one, if you negative 2 here is negative 1, and this is 0 now. Instead of positive now become positive here, because this one is positive now. This is positive 1, and this is positive 2. After that now, my dear student, we have to find FD here, which is 3 here. Now you take 3 here, times 8 here. Do you see now here, which is f? If you take this one, you get negative 24. Here will be negative 2014, and here will be negative 16. Here will be negative 0, and here will be negative 15, and here will be negative 4 here. Okay, so after that now, what you're supposed to do now, you just plus all this. You find the total fd here. The total of fd, if you plus this all here, you're getting negative 25 here. Negative 25. If you plus this one, you carefully get this one. So again now, you find the total frequency here. The total frequency of this one here. The total frequency of this one, you have 77 now. Now look here now, already now we have this one, and already now we have this one. And now it is easy to substitute in the formula here. Now you take these values and substitute in the formula here. Now you just say now, just come here, right, that you just come right here, the 28, it is assumed. Now you take this one, it is assumed here, you just say plus 8 here, 8 total. This one, if you remember this one, if this one, you take this one, 8, okay. Now you times negative, remember it is negative 25 here, negative 25 here. You just divide by 77. This one you just divide by n here, which is n is 27. Now you just divide this one by 77 here. So now if you take the calculator and substitute those values in the formula here, you get it 25.404. So you come here and say that the assumed mean, that the assumed mean is equal to 25.404. Thank you, class. I think you understand and enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, very important in this video. Thank you. Goodbye. Welcome to other examples.